So the traditional Ginga, you know, we used to sing more like this. The hand is up like this. One leg goes back. Well, of course, with the commercialization of Capoeira in class, it looks more like this. You know, really goofy, really quirky like. So the problem with that type of Ginga is you get all these elaborate movements as you progress in the art. You start moving a little smoother, you know, having a little more sway and bounce to your, you know, to your Ginga, or as Rob, you know, Rob example said, and then bounce to the house. So when you're looking at how that Ginga is formatted and how they teach it, it takes too much time by our standards for you to, you know, to progress and develop. So we break this stuff down. So the first one, you know, I was saying earlier, is that V-shaped Ginga, okay? So in Kali, it would be a reverse triangle. The only difference is, in the Filipino arts, I'll be moving forward, stepping to the side, allowing that person to pass. So the difference is, I'm already forward. So when I step here, there's my angle. I step here, there's my angle. So this is more of what we're talking about, your V-step Ginga. So when you look at it in training, it looks like this. So what do we use this for? All right, it looks kind of like the hostility Ginga. This is where the Ginga that we utilize for the centralized. All right, so if I move like this, and I decide that I'm going to explode on this dude, boom, 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 boom. Or if I decide that I'm going to counter this dude, catch him coming in, bang with him, and then go ahead and fire something off. Or if I decide I'm going to go from here, I explode on him. All right, so this is what we're talking about. So from a distance, I'm moving. He's waiting to look for some of all that crazy stuff. You know, they compile sort of the Sociopolitical, you know, the how much you hire, all that kind of stuff. And then next you know, bam, 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 bam. I'm blasting in on this cat. Or they're trying to time what we do on that step. So as he times his step, I make switch and then fire on that guy and then start really putting the heavy tools in. So that's what the V-shaped Ginga is for. If he moves forward, I intercept him and just start tagging off on that dude. Or if I decide I'm going to explode on him, I launch. Either throw a shot or give him a traditional tool, start my stepping and my sliding. Alright, so that's your V shape. The next one's the F step. The F step is like that. So what we're doing is we're looking at center line to shoulder line. So I have three markers here, excuse me. So when I make my first step, I move over one step, the other one follows behind it, and then I open this thing up. So when you're looking at this, it looks like this, okay? So there's a capital F, and then there's a lowercase f, and all that's dictated by how you curve your step. So this is my first step, 1, 2, and then 3. Then I move back across, 1, 2, and then 3. So the F is short for float. So when I need to travel around, I float like this. All right, so this is an open F step Ginga. When I close that, it looks like this. I level change, and then I move. So when you're thinking about certain tools in the Filipino arts, I hit my roof, there's my bolo strike. There's my roof, there's my bolo strike. There's my roof, there's my bolo. There's my roof, there's my bolo. So when you're looking at the motion, this is what you're seeing, this is what you're not seeing. There's my roof, there's my bolo. There's my roof, there's my bolo. So when I move like this, I turn that body. So if you think about the star drill, from here, I lead switch, I lead switch. I float, that's that lead switch. I float, that's that lead switch. Now I can hit and take off on that center line or diagonally from S line to center line. So F step Ginga. Just like that. So then the next one is the X. The X step, basically like this, okay? Explosion step. So I move forward, this foot moves over, and that one retracts. Forward, over, and back. Forward, over, and back. Forward, over, and back. Forward, over, and back. So your X step is what I use. What I'm trying to get out of this dude's way. Boom. And then I switch and I fire off of that. So if I'm going back the other direction, I shoot off, forward, over, put a float to that, and then I can fire me a kick. Or I can move forward like this, over, hit that hook, hit that low, the Martello bicep, and then just snap off and do center line, all right? So when you're looking at the last one, the sixth step, 3 steps to this. I move, 1, cross, 2, turn, pick the leg out, hand stays out. Step 1, cross, turn, pick this leg up, put it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my 6th step. All right. So right now I'm showing you this in teaching format or demo mode. When we put this in battle format, that's when we tighten this up. So I have my V, my F, all right, just like that, my X, and then my 6. Just like that, okay? So my 6th step, I use that for things like, I bring this leg up, he throws a kick, I destroy it. Start tagging and busting off on the dude. I move here, he moves in, stop kick. Start tagging and busting off on this dude. So I can use this for countering and intercepting, all right? Use this to move out of the way, move back in, linking things together. So when you're looking at the 6th step, you can also look at this Kali closed triangle. All right, so like I said, it's really, really weird what we put into this. All right, so the Battle Ginga, the next piece of this, we're gonna put this, bring all of this together and show you how to maneuver from center line, hit that S line, back to the center line, put it back in, put all this together and